Hi everyone, welcome to the episode tutorial for CoHost. Today we are going to go over how to add and edit new and existing episodes, as well as publish, schedule, and draft. So we're going to start our journey today in the episode library, which you can access by going to episodes in the left-hand nav bar. And if I wanted to add a new episode, you guessed it, you would go to add new episode over on the right-hand corner. Once you click that, you'll see a prompt to upload your audio, add your episode title, click your episode type, season number, episode number, which for reference, your current season number, and last published episode number are right here. You have episode description and show notes. Does it contain explicit content? Do you want to hide the episode from your RSS feed? Some folks like to do that and release it later. It just depends on your preference. You can add keywords, episode contributors. You can upload episode cover art that is specific to the episode. So by default, you're always going to have the show cover art. But if you wanted, like I said, specific episode cover art, you could go in and upload that there. Sizing is right here for your reference. And then you can go to schedule for later. You can choose a date in the future and a time, and you can press schedule. You can save it as a draft if you want to refer back to this and work on it later, or you can actually just publish right now. Keep in mind that all of the required fields must be filled out before you can schedule or publish an episode, and CoHost will notify you of that. So for example, if I go publish, it won't allow me because I need to enter a title. If we go back to the episode library, and let's say I wanted to edit an existing episode, I could go into the pencil icon here, and I can go in and edit any of the information. Let's say I wanted to edit my show notes. And then I can go ahead and update episode. Keep in mind that if your episode is already published on the listening apps, it may take a couple hours for it to update, just depending on when the apps decide to refresh the feed. If we wanted to delete an episode, we have a trash can icon right here. So you would just click that, add your account password, and delete episode. You can also filter your episodes by published, scheduled, or draft. You can also view them instead of grid format in a list format. You can also search for your episodes if you have a ton of episodes in your library and are having trouble finding them. And that is everything that you need to know about episodes for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Again, we are always more than happy to help.